Unmanned aircraft systems, or drones as we call it, have revolutionized the commercial and public safety industry. Drones have enhanced viewer experiences in a wide range of media, from documentaries to sports coverage to personal videos. Across the world, drones have saved lives during disasters and search and rescue missions. All this and more are just a few benefits of drone technology. Remember that using any technology requires a sense of responsibility and awareness. Hi, I'm Harry Seto. Welcome to Beyond Unmanned. I will be your host for the National Drone Safety Awareness Week. I'm currently a senior at Charlotte Latin School, and ever since my first exposure to drones and unmanned systems, I have been curious to know more and more about these emerging technologies, and I'm very excited to be a part of Beyond Unmanned. The National Drone Safety Awareness Week has a profound effect on helping communities understand the positive impact that drone technologies bring. Join me next week as we bring amazing people each day to share some ideas and best practices that will help you be safe and successful. We will also be live streaming the popular AUVSI North Carolina Let's Talk Drones on Friday, November 20th. This will be a Drone Safety Awareness Week special. There's lots happening, so you don't want to miss a thing. So like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel. Also make sure to follow us on Facebook. Beyond Unmanned focuses on education and outreach in unmanned systems and emerging technologies. We are going to help you connect to the world and the world connect to you. See you next week, and remember, the future is within line of sight.